What's going on? Welcome to another Peddlers MN video. Today we're taking the fat bike over to the Minnesota River Bottoms for a nice fat bike shred. Now in my last Minnesota River Bottoms video I started at the Bloomington Ferry Bridge entrance. However, today I'm going to be starting at the Lyndale Lot, which is right off of the 35W exit. Typically most people associate the river bottoms with extremely flat and kind of boring terrain. However, out of the Lyndale Lot, I decided to head east, and out that way, I don't know if this is open year-round, but there were plenty of fat bike tracks today. There is a lot of elevation gain and a lot of descent to be had if you head east out of the Lyndale Lot at the river bottoms. One last thing before we get started, I'd like to apologize that my camera was tilted a little too low in this video. I'd like to think that I made the most of the footage and that it actually came out to be pretty decent. Having the camera tilted down does make for a neat effect when showcasing the elevation difference between this side of the river bottoms versus the other sides. Hope you enjoy the video. That's pure ice. That's a real descent, huh? Yeah, dude. right, there you have it. That was my ride at the Minnesota river bottoms. I'm definitely going to try to do it again at some point with a better camera angle, but that might not even be till next winter, honestly. Who knows? All right, if you liked anything in this video, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Why haven't you subscribed to the channel yet? Come on. If you got anything to say, drop it in the comments. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.